Lesson 17, How, Part 1. How asks questions to determine the means in which something is accomplished or performed, or a state of being. Present tense is how or how is. How are you doing that? Past tense, how was or how did. How did the children get to school? Future. How will we reach our goal? Some example sentences. How did you get to work today? How was your doctor's appointment? Can you tell me how to bake that cake? How is the weather there today? How do you feel today? How do you know my name? Lesson 17, How, Part 2. Sample conversation using how. Jason, how do you feel today? Jane, pretty good. How about you? Jason, I am not feeling well. How do you stay so healthy? Jane, I eat good food and sleep well at night. Jason, that must be how you're staying so well. Jane, yes, I think that is how too. Lesson 17, How, Part 3. This is a word combination that begins with how. How'd ya? It's short for how did you. An example. How'd you get all those people in that very small car? And just so you know, American students do like to try and fit a lot of people in one car just for fun. Some idioms with how. How's the world treating you? This is another way of saying, how are you? It means the same thing. So an example is, hello, Sam. How's the world treating you these days? How time flies. This is used to express the feeling you get when a span of time passes quicker than you expected. Example, wow, Henry, I can't believe that we've been talking for 2 hours. How time flies. Another one, how the other half lives. This is said usually when comparing social classes within a society. An example, until he spent school vacation at his friend Richard's country home, Jim was never aware that some people do not have to work for a living. He discovered that half of the world is not aware of how the other half lives. Bill decided to dress in second-hand clothes and spend the weekend among the homeless men in the warehouse district, just to see how the other half lives. Well, that concludes How for this lesson series. Hope it was helpful to everyone.